Hi friends, Physical Science 10th class Acids, Bases and Salts Part 2. These multiple choice questions are very useful for the 10th class students as well as for the competitive exams. Let us move to the first question. The neutralization reaction is acid plus base gives salt plus water, metal plus acid gives salt plus hydrogen, acid plus base gives neutral solution. None of these. A is the right answer. That means acid react with base form salt and water. The acidity of acids is formed due to which is produced OH minus ions, Mg2 plus ions, H plus or H3O plus ions. None of these. Here C is the right answer. H plus or H3O plus ions. H plus ion means hydrogen ion. H3O plus ion means hydronium ion. Hydrogen ions cannot exist as bare ions. For this we represent H plus as hydronium ion. That means H3O plus ion. In given below which is acid? In given below which is acid? KOH solution, NaOH solution, HCl aqueous solution, dry HCl gas. Yes, C is the right answer. That means HCl aqueous solution because here blue litmus turn into red color. The substance which is slightly soluble in water, MgOH twice, KOH, BeOH twice, NaOH. C is the right answer. That means BeOH twice. All bases do not dissolve in water. Beryllium hydroxide is slightly soluble in water. That's why C is the right answer. On dissolving bases in water produces which ions? On dissolving bases in water produces which ions? Sodium, magnesium, hydroxide, hydrogen. C is the right answer. That means hydroxide ions. Next question. Which is weak acid? Which is weak acid? KOH, HCl, H2SO4, CH3, COOH. Here KOH is base, all are acids. CH3, COOH is weak acid because it contains very few H3O plus ions. Which one is correct process? Which one is correct process? Adding an acid slowly to water with constant stirring, adding water to an acid with stirring, adding water to a base with stirring. None of these. Here A is the right answer. That means adding an acid slowly to water with constant stirring. Bases which are soluble in water are called as metals, alkalis, aqueous. None of these. B is the right answer. That means alkalis. Next question. Metal hydrogen carbonate produces which gas when reacts with acids? Metal hydrogen carbonate produces which gas when reacts with acids? Carbon dioxide, hydrogen, oxygen, all the above. Here A is the right answer. That means carbon dioxide. Next question. NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O. This reaction name is oxidation, reduction, neutralization, all the above. Here C is the right answer. That means neutralization because here sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid, forms sodium chloride and water. Commonly acids have nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen. Here D is the right answer. That means hydrogen. Commonly acids have the element hydrogen. Next question. The process of dissolving an acid or base in water is called neutralization reaction, endothermic reaction, exothermic reaction. None of these. Here C is the right answer. That means exothermic reaction because here heat is liberated. Acids or bases are mixed with which substance to dilute? Acids or bases are mixed with which substance to dilute? Nitrogen, sulfur, water. None of these. Here C is the right answer. That means water. Next question. Which oxides are basic in nature? Which oxides are basic in nature? Non-metallic, metallic, nitrogen, all the above. Here B is the right answer. That means metallic oxides are basic in nature. Next question. In glucose and alcohol solution, dash are absent. In glucose and alcohol solution, dash are absent. Reagents, ions, bases, acids. Here B is the right answer. That means ions are absent. Next question. Acids that give more H3O plus ions are called as strong bases, strong acids, weak acids, weak bases. Here B is the right answer. That means strong acids. Which are electrically neutral? Which are electrically neutral? Salts, acids, bases, all the above. Here A is the right answer. That means salts. Salts are electrically neutral. Next question. Which of the following element forms an acetic oxide? Which of the following element forms an acetic oxide? Sulfur, magnesium, zinc, none of these. Here A is the right answer. That means sulfur. Whereas B and C, magnesium and zinc are metals. So A is the right answer. Thank you for watching.